small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another Sunday reset. My house has been staying relatively clean lately. Ever since the kids have went back to school, I have been able to keep up with all of the cleaning, which is amazing because usually I am so far behind on my housework. Laundry is a different story. I did not do any laundry today because I just wanted to get the house cleaned and I was going to tackle the laundry tomorrow. I absolutely loved these pumpkin candles, but they have finally came to the end. All of the wax is gone, but I have an idea of what I'm going to do with them. I think I'm going to film that video and put it in October for Spooktacular. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on that video.
This is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
I am giving myself a $500 budget to redo our kitchen. I believe I will be able to do it and I am super excited about it. But first I have a couple other makeovers that I'm going to do in the house before we jump into the kitchen. But when I get to the kitchen, you guys, I'm going to be so excited. I can't wait to get rid of these countertops and the cabinets. They're just not my vibe. I want to brighten up my house and get rid of all of these warm tones because I just don't like them anymore.
Car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
I bought these kitchen mats from Walmart about 3 years ago, and I would say that we need to get some new ones. The bottom of them are just ruined. They're all tore up from having sticky stuff on the floor and pulling the rugs up. So when I do our kitchen makeover, I will be buying new ones, which makes me so excited. It's the way that it moves and the way that it laughs, so I can't get enough. My daughter has been asking me for over a week to vacuum her room. I won't let the kids use my new Dyson vacuum cleaner because they don't pick up any of the big pieces. They just try to vacuum them up, and I don't want to break my new vacuum cleaner yet because I just got it and I really love it. So I vacuumed the girls' room and then I went into the boys' room and vacuumed their room. It's real, cause I can get them out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want it, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I'm just going to restock our fridge for the week with all of our drinks. We do have a lot of soda, and that is because the girls' boss ended up selling her business, and she got a hold of me and asked if I wanted them, and of course I said yes, because we will drink that up. So I'm just restocking all of that. I know parents are all different, and some parents don't allow their kids to have any pop because of the sugar and caffeine in it. We do things a little different in our household. Instead of denying our kids pop and bubblers, we have just taught them that they can have a pop and they can have a bubbler, but it's very important to brush your teeth every morning and every night. My kids have all went to the dentist in the last month, and none of them had a cavity, which I know some people would find very surprising, but I believe it's about teaching your kid instead of denying them all of these things. Because when they get older, they're going to drink soda if they want to. They're going to have bubblers. They're going to do all of them things. So I think as a parent, I see it my responsibility to teach them when they drink these things or they eat these things, how to take care of their teeth afterwards. Everyone has their own way of parenting. I will never sit back and judge somebody for the way that they parent their kids, because there's so many different ways, and I don't see that there is a right or a wrong. I feel like everyone has their own way to do it. After I was done cleaning off the dining room table, I was done with my Sunday reset. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time.